Good morning students, this is your maths class. Now in the previous class we had learned about conversion of centimeters into meters. Okay, now we will learn about measuring length in kilometers. Okay, so this is on page number 111. Okay, 111. Longer lengths, like the distance between two cities, the length of a river, height of tall buildings and mountains, etc., cannot be measured in meters. So we use a bigger unit of measurement called kilometer to measure such lengths. Okay. So we in the last class we came to know that smaller length is we measure it with centimeter. A bit longer length we will measure it with meters. Now we sometimes measure longer distance than the meters. Okay, it can be measured in meters, but some lengths are very long. Okay, so when we measure that distance, okay, like distance between two cities, the length of river, height of tall buildings and mountains, we measure it in kilometer. Okay, now conversion of kilometers into meters. How do you convert kilometer into meter? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, or 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. This is in the sort of form of kilometer, and this is the sort of form of meter. Okay, so or you can even say 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 1000, remember 1000 kilometer makes 1 kilometer. Okay, there's a tip over here. To convert kilometer into meter, put 3 zeros to the right of the number. Okay, now to convert a length given in kilometers into meters, we multiply by 1000. For example, 2 kilometer, if we want to convert this length into meter, we will multiply it with 1000. Okay, this will convert it to meter, so 2000 meters. 12 kilometer into 1000, this will make 12,000 meters. Okay, similarly, in example 5, it's written 5 kilometer into 120 meter into meters. Okay, now 120 meter is already in meter measurement, so you don't have to convert this. You just have to convert 5 kilometers. So 5 kilometer, if we want to convert it into meters, we will multiply it by 1000, so that will make 5000 meters. So 5000 meter plus 120 meter will make 5120 meters. Okay, now there is a mental maths given over here. 1 kilometer is equal to how many centimeters? Okay, for this I'll be sending you a separate video. Okay, now conversion of meters into kilometers. How do you convert meters into kilometers? We can convert meters into kilometers by dividing by 1000. Okay, such as when you wanted to convert centimeter into meters, you divide it with 100. Here you divide it by 1000. Okay, 7000 meter, when you convert it into meters, you divide it by 1000. Okay, in the previous class also I had taught you, you write 7000, okay, upon 1000. Now when you divide, okay, and you have zeros at the right hand side, okay, on both the numbers that are on top and the below, okay, 1, you cancel the zeros first, you cut the zeros first, so you are left with 7. So that will be 7 kilometer. Again, 10,000 meter divided by 1000 is equal to 10 kilometers. Okay, here you cancel 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay, you are left with 10 now. So you have 10 kilometers. Now example 6, the distance between two cities A and B is 3252 meters. Express this distance in kilometers and meters. Okay, first of all you take 3000, okay, as meters. Okay, now plus you keep 252 meters aside. Okay, now 3000 can be converted into kilometers by dividing it with 1000. So you cancel three zeros on top and the number which is below. Okay, now you are left with 3, so that will become 3 kilometers plus 252 meters, so is equal to 3 kilometers and 252 meters. They had asked you to express this distance in kilometers and meters. So thus the distance between city A and B is 3 kilometers 252 meters. Okay, now to the next page. Here is a quick tip. Okay, when we convert meters into kilometers and meters, the last three digits always stand for meters. Okay, such as for here, this is a meter. When you length given in meter and you are converting this length into kilometer and meter, this last three digit will remain the same. Okay, will remain in meters only, and the first digit will convert into kilometer. Here again you can see 592 remains as meters and 3 will convert into kilometers. Why? Because here you know 1000 meters will make 1 kilometer, and when you convert meters into kilometers you divide it by 1000, so that will be, you will be left with 1 kilometer over here. Again 3000 meters will make 1 kilometer, sorry, when you convert 3000 meters into kilometers, again you will divide it by 1000. You are now left with 3 kilometers. 3, that will make 3 kilometers. Okay, now exercise 8.2. Which unit, centimeter, meter or kilometer, will you use to measure the following lengths? Okay, so you can see in distance, length of a bus, it is a bit longer length. Okay, when you are measuring a length of a bus, so this will, you will measure in meters. Okay, now length of your maths book, this can be measured in centimeters. Okay, so length of a maths book or any other book is not too long, so you will measure it in centimeters. Okay, now length of an eraser, again this can be measured in centimeters. Okay, now distance between India and Europe, now this is a long distance. Okay, this will be measured in kilometers. Okay, now height of a tree again can be measured in meters. Okay, length of a river will be very long. River Ganga, over here they are asking length of a river Ganga, so this will be measured in kilometers. Length of a stapler can be measured in centimeters. Length of a building, this again will be, if a building is too long, this cannot be measured in centimeter or meter, so this will be measured in kilometers. Okay, now convert into meters. 7 kilometer. Okay, now you know that one kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, or you can also say that 1 into 1000 will make 1 kilometer into 1000 will give you 1000 meters. Okay, so you will simply multiply when you are converting kilometers into meters. Here you have got 7 kilometer, so you will multiply 7 into 1000, that will give you 7000 meters. Okay, similarly in the next question they have given 9 kilometers. You multiply 9 into 1000, this will give you 9000 meters. Okay, now in the next question you have to convert kilometers into meters. Convert into kilometers and meters. Okay, now here you have got 3000 meters. This one is simple, you just divide it with 1000. You got the zeros. Okay, you are left with 3, so you have got 3 kilometer. Okay, this is for question number A, 3A. Okay, now this is for 2A and B. Okay, now in 2D you can see it's given 5 kilometer and 725 meters. 5 kilometer and 725 meters. Okay, so you leave this for a moment, you convert this. Okay, 5 kilometer into meters, that will give you 5000 meters. Okay, plus 725 meters, so you have got 5725 meters over here in question number D. Okay, similarly over here in question number B, they have given 2300 meters. Okay, now 2300 meters. Okay, now first you will break this into two parts. Okay, 2000 meters plus 300 meters. Okay, now you just convert this part, okay, into kilometers, so you have to simply divide it by 1000. Okay, so you have got 2 kilometers and 300 meters. Okay, this is how you do it. Okay, you can see in example 6 given on page number 111. Okay,